What's up, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I will be providing another link for mod APK of Alight motion. So I uploaded a video 2 weeks ago and I got a brilliant result from that video, so please just go and drop like so I get motivation to post continuous videos. So the link will be in the description as well as in the comments. I will be pinning my comment, and in this APK nothing much is different, but it will codec your mod APK faster than the previous one. So please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.